Yo, what up? Connor here. I'm doing a first unboxing video, and it's on my first gear waste promotional products Curotto can. It's white. I ordered this on Friday. So let's open it up. Hopefully it's the white one, but I don't really care what color it comes in. Oh yeah. So the box, Slam and Eagle Curotto can. If I can get this out first. Whoa, this is heavy. So we got our Curotto can. This is my first ever one I've gotten. Dang it. This is pretty darn cool. Slam and Eagle, the Curotto can incorporated. Got the dumpster, got the claw, the arm. Got the little fork things right down at the bottom. Got the inside of the dumpster. Got the front of it. This is pretty darn cool. I'll leave a link in the description of where I bought it. Waste promotional products. So if you want to go on there, you can go buy it. So I'll leave a link down in the description. So yeah. My mom ordered this for me. Not as like a gift or anything, because I've been wanting it for a little while. And on Thursday or Friday we ordered it. So yeah. Well, this has been my first unboxing video, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.